The separation date is extremely important because it is the date on which property is valued for the purpose of equalization under the Family Law Act. And I will make a short legal comment here to help you. If you're not married but living common law, you cannot make a claim under the Family Law Act for a division or an equalization of net family property. That does not mean that you cannot make a claim for property. It just means that you can't make a claim for equalization of property. If you're going to claim property under the Family Law Act and you are not married, then I strongly suggest you come to one of the workshops because it's a bit complex and involves trust claims, and I'm not going to deal with that here. But the important thing about the separation date is that that is the date that all of your property is valued, except for real estate that you may continue to own together. That's the date all this property is valued for equalization purposes. Equalization means we divide up all the property we acquired during our marriage, and whoever has more has to give part of that, 50% of the difference, to the other person. So it's a very important date, and on many occasions people disagree about what the actual separation date is. But you figure out what the date is and you put it in there. There's then a place where you put in the details about your children, their names, their ages, their birth dates, where they reside and who they reside with. You fill that in, and then you'll just see a bunch of boxes under that you need to check off. If you have signed an agreement or been in court before concerning the same things that are going on here, then you need to give the court details about that.